Hair, incomplete. Eyebrows, incomplete. Lashes, not started. Nails, pending. Your mission, should you choose to accept, is to complete your beauty maintenance without losing your mind. Do you accept?
40-inch bust downs on me. Everyone that's supporting me right now is getting a 40-inch bust down. Listen, today I look fucking crazy. No, I just look fucking crazy. I don't even have anything else to say after that. We're going to get maintenance done today. So today we're going to do eyebrows, lashes, and nails. I'm probably going to do my toes only because I don't really get my nails in the salon unless I'm doing a manicure. I don't like acrylics. I only wear press-ons now. That's just the kind of girl I am. So yeah, let's get this done. I'm at my lash appointment. Thank goodness I checked. Something in my spirit was like, check the location. Because I was going to her old location and then I checked it and I was actually supposed to be going to a new one. Thank goodness I checked and it was still kind of close. So I made it on time. I'm actually earlier than she told me to come. You see how God works? Oh, I kind of feel bad because like I'm not gonna be able to do like a lot of things I want to do because I have things to handle. Like this is such a busy week. People don't understand how much it takes to be a bad bitch. Like it's actually a very, very like time consuming thing, you know. I put a lot of effort into being this sexy, you know, and I don't think people really get it. It takes a lot.
This is my potential breakup song. All I need's just one. Oh baby, please tell.
Okay, I'm done with my lashes. I get the dark brown set because like I said y'all before, I like to get dark brown when I have blonde. If I'm gonna be doing blonde, I'm going blonde. But like these look so cute. She did such a good job. I haven't got my lashes done in so long. Like, look how cutesy it is. Like, just got to the nail salon. It kind of looks empty in here. Thank goodness. I like to go to the nail salon when nobody else is in there because I don't want to have to compete with anybody about getting my toes done. I want to just be in and out. My eyebrow lady is close by here, and then I'm out. I swear this nail salon has like the best drinks. Like every time I come in here, I get a pina colada. I feel like I'm on vacation.
Yo, stop playing, man. I've been hotter than summer school. Cause even then I used to make the motherfuckers drool. I've been bad since sticky hands. Now all these bitches is Nicki fans.
Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And then I have my hair appointment tomorrow, but that's tomorrow. As for today, I'm done. Toes done, lashes done, doing my eyebrows, and then I'm going the fuck home. I was gonna go get something to eat at Longhorn, but baby, I'm tired. I'm probably gonna stop and get a little bit of something, and then take my ass home. Yeah. I don't know why I thought I was gonna just come in here, walk in and walk out. I did not expect to wait. Do I usually come here at this time? I think usually I come earlier, so when I come I don't usually have to wait, but I didn't have an appointment. I just walked in, so that's on me for not planning ahead. But luckily I don't have any appointments after this, so it doesn't really matter. I just want to get home so I can sleep.
I think we should go around the country. It's only $1 million to buy me a jet. Said you had it very important. So be honest to give him respect. And if you got an issue, my nigga, you cannot be pussy staying with your chest. I would never hang out with you because I could never.
Alright, now I'm gonna go get something to eat. Actually, we just going home. We got food at the house. That's why I need to start turning myself. We got food at the house. So tomorrow's the hair appointment. And as you can see, I'm looking all this cute. I'm excited. Like, I gotta go still wash the hair. I have not washed it yet. But that's tomorrow's problem. I was supposed to just go home straight, but I needed to stop at the Beauty Supply store and get some things. I need to be able to wash the hair. I need to have some silicone mix. What else do I need? I need some magic cream, like the shaving cream. And then nail polish remover or something like that. But I need to get like a good shampoo, like one that has Baskin Lathers is in the Beauty Supply store. I have these. I have this whole set right here. Period. Don't switch up on us because y'all love to get popping and then switch up. I need to get a protein based shampoo because I'm doing 613 hair, so I'm like, I feel like blonde hair you need to have a little more love in it. So it needs to be protein. I don't know what brand to trust. Okay, I could get, how much is this though? $10? I should just go to Dollar Tree, but I don't feel like driving no more. Like it's traffic right now. This is what all the baddies used to use in, like, with the 2014 bundles. Everyone was using this. Everyone was using this. The coconut milk, you felt like you was the one. $10. Okay, okay, I just came from the Beauty Supply store. Like, I had to get a couple of things to wash the hair. So, because I need this look to give. I'm about to do everything I can to revive this 613. You feel me? Everything. Because it's such a cute color that I just can't wear it. Can't not wear it. But anyway, gotta get home. Wash the Tango hair. Because my appointment is 11 a.m. tomorrow. I don't know why I be doing these early ass appointments. My appointment today was noon. I feel like I do them early because I don't like driving during traffic. That's my thing. I'm like, I gotta squeeze some time in during the day to go, because if I go when there's traffic, I'm gonna be tight. I'm gonna be tight. And then, I'm not gonna lie, once you come back from your appointment, you feel so cute. Like, I just love my lashes. Like, so cute. I'm telling you, dark brown lashes eat. I'm telling ya. Trying to get y'all the recipe. All right, but let's go do this. I'm procrastinating. I'm so nervous. But I feel like we're gonna look cute tomorrow. Like, you're gonna look cute, girl. Like, don't worry. It's gonna eat. Hey, all right. So today is my hair appointment. I have my hair detangled and put into these little section bantu knots, whatever you want to call it. And then I also have my wig drying over here. Yes, it's hanging out the car of my window. This is how I dry my hair. I got my other shoes here, my purse here, and I'm going to be driving with this. No, it's not going to fall out. I've done this several times before. It's not that crazy. I don't have time. As a young hoe, I need my hair dry right fucking now. So, Lego. See, every appointment should start at the bowl. That's the first flag. That's the first green flag you should look for with these stylists. But like, look at this, honey.
It just doesn't make sense.
Let's do the brush out.
I'm taking back the things I got from you, and that includes a sweet little melody too. Ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, little baby. He don't want you anymore. No, let's go, let's go.
Listen, it's late. We're getting us some Wendy's, because that $4 biggie bag always gonna hit the spot. And I don't feel like running around buying no food. I'm hungry. I'm tired. But I'm excited. This weekend is gonna be so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And you will see more of me. For sure. Don't worry. See you guys next time. Bye.
Where the fuck my blunt? Where the fuck my cup? Where the fuck my reef? I'm swinging on kids. I'm swinging on kids.